Our custom poly mailers are made in a state-of-the-art facility, where each bag undergoes precise printing and rigorous quality checks to meet the highest standards. Designed to reflect your brand identity, our poly mailers are fully customizable with your logo and color choices, creating a memorable unboxing experience. These mailers provide exceptional protection, featuring water resistance and tear-proof material to keep your products secure from start to finish. With a strong, self-sealing adhesive strip, our poly mailers offer easy and secure packaging, reducing the need for extra materials. Deliver professionalism with every package. Custom poly mailers showcase your brand's commitment to quality, enhancing customer satisfaction from the very first impression. Ready to elevate your brand? Contact us today to design your custom poly mailers for secure, stylish, and impactful packaging.